Here's a valuable jewelry making tip for using crimp beads.
I'm Steve Lewis from JewelryMakingParts.com. Here's a tip on how to use crimp beads to make jewelry. Crimp beads are small tubes used to make a secure loop at the end of a soft flex wire. To use a crimp bead, you take your wire, pass it through the crimp bead, and then reverse it and pass it back through the crimp bead, making a loop. When you have the loop the size that you'd like, take a pair of crimping pliers and on the crimp bead grasp the bead with the pliers and crimp it, or in effect flatten the crimp bead firmly on the wire. This will make a sturdy loop that can attach to anything in jewelry making, or to either a crucifix or a centerpiece in rosary making.
For your jewelry making supplies, come to JewelryMakingParts.com. That's JewelryMakingParts.com.